Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
And yeah.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Tagging bounty contracts. Go get it. There's my next victim. Forget that. This one's mine.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Target for that. Get to work. Bounty targets embarked. Kill 'em.
Tangin. Paltog to.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Time for a bit of argy-bargy. Get ready to fight. You're next. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
Saan ba
Bringing you
lang
home. It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Oh,
Part of that title will settle the score.
Doing the trials for a new unique calling card. It's better.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy soldier incoming. Alright, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your team. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
pili pa minsan.
Vendor mark. Forget it. Located him.
Kita.
Cancel that. Like this. Got it.
Nataltal na basit.
Buwan ka rin. Ang dagiti kaibigan.
Enemy
The
soldier
tao.
incoming. Target
Sa Simbaranaw?
to work.
Daga. Hindi police station.
Ah, police station?
One.
Anta lipakan man. Sumaruam.
overhead.
Tatid na.
Destination marked. Movement spotted. Destination marked. Cancel. Cancel.
Panjilikod.
Marking waypoint coordinates.
May sana?
When? May message na nakita ko.
Ayan ta na. Laro na.
Grabe. Tsaka pa yung makita na yan.
Atoy.
Puta, puta.
Ito dapat may isa. Nakagawa na. Ay, doon dyan police station dyan may isa. The second floor. Nadawan ko lang dyan may isa.
Too late. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done.
What the?
Worse for wear. You're heading back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Hindi man pa yung basit. Yung buy station isa.
Aid station. If you're weak.
Hey, thank you. Apa nam? Yes, stadium.
Mabalog, mabalog.
Hello, abot ito eh. About.
Abot. Ayun niya.
Like, looted.
Kita mag...
Nagloot ito eh.
Head to that vehicle.
Talaga pa dito yan.
Kakalaban, by station. Kapatay mo?
Well,
Tatay kaduanan. Ayun.
Jay.
Naka-ATV. Naka-ATV.
safe zone.
Someone go get that.
Wala mo ate armor.
Yun.
Wear a vest. Save your chest. Wear a vest. Save your chest.
Tudot na yun dyan.
You like fire? Using smoke. Where am I?
Ano pa yan? May tao?
Ah. Ay, dapat na ito. Ada pa lagpas-pasyar na kita.
Ito yung bagtik niya, ubing.
Anda pa makisala.
Tapok pa lang.
Pandag patapok.
Got gas
Papa.
moving in.
Patapukan naman sa salon at
Everyone's safe. Pity.
Kawanti circle ah. Ang agkag, loot ka lang sa. Paling ang mode na ito eh.
aman.
Mas basta yung mala circle? Ayaw ang gamit
Yan,
niya.
yan, yan.
Wear a vest. Save your chest.
Enemy patrol.
You think you're orange? This one's mine.
Mover spotted.
Ayan, ito. Panjay Fire Station. Pandito.
Setting waypoint.
May isa nun sa. May isa sa taloko.
Enemy patrol. Destination marked. Cancel. Cancel.
Naka-sniper Ransan.
Nakalaban ito eh. Stadium. Ito eh. Ilikod.
Popping.
Eh, isang. Eh, paladuan sila ito eh.
See you. Forget that. Setting waypoint. Forget that.
Ayun ba?
Contact enemy vehicle.
Ayun.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Tansan.
Pang loadout ah.
Pumalasipan.
Huli na.
Got gas moving in.
Located a vendor marked.
Nakalaban ni Jeep Fire Station. Jeep Mesa. Take out. Baka nawanta.
Siguro.
Unless you want to see your
Dapat
insides,
dito eh.
we should get to the safe zone.
Aray.
Be advised, there's an enemy team.
Paras
hunting
tanga luton dito yun eh. Kwarta-kwarta.
Setting waypoint.
Ante-lakpay gayam to. Pangaluted.
Tanga to tada.
Assault rifle here. Never mind. New assault rifle here. Forget that.
Kailangan. Data nih. Data likod.
Yan.
Gatekeep. Down.
What happened to good old-fashioned stabbing?
Kapay may sa kadwana. Tikan ni Gid.
Easy.
Yan eh.
I see you. I slaughtered.
Nice one.
Uy.
Yan.
Pang loadout na. Ayun to bounty.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Fire station.
Siguro.
Salbagin.
Gas is inbound.
Pwede yan eh.
Kapag tuglitin
This one's
banda.
mine.
Kamu pa yung kapaltugan sana.
Gatekeep ta na paltugan ta. Kita na yung tibatula.
Ito tao, Jess.
Destination locked.
May isa dito eh.
Wala, nakita ko rin.
Opak. Ini dia ni. Uy,
It's all up to you now. Go for the win.
Ngatong yaton son.
ay duwada pa. Napabiyag na dyan may isa.
Oh, that time of
Saan na ka? At. At dito.
Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Enemy soldier incoming. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Marking the finals of a library. I love discounts.
Para tadi dyan.
This one's mine.
Clear to engage all targets.
Charge set. Now we wait. Throwing frag.
Tapi may sadling ah.
Ay, ingatan siya. Yan?
Ang patay ko dyan may isa.
Sana Garuda na.
Throwing grenade.
Sige din.
Ito naglokat.
Isa din.
Losing ground.
Anit nga to? Angas.
Adapta?
Kawan.
Hindi. Tigo ba na?
Taking shots here.
Nalot mo amin ito yan?
Setting waypoint.
Ayan. Tigo ba?
Destination marked.
Time nagpindi orange. Agon.
Nakaduha na to eh. Ang gawin mo ito.
Nakasan niya.
Medyo kwarag dito.
Hanapan dito.
Setting waypoint.
Anda ito.
Marking
Nakabit ka.
waypoint 1.
Hindi nagsubli.
Eh? Ito.
Pag gumapa.
Makakalaban ta. Ay, kaya mo.
Ang bala.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Dati ano, bimabata
This one's mine.
atom.
Time to play. I see you.
Kalaban din. May kalaban pa dyan sa taas.
Crazy. Ang bala ko.
Kailangan. SMG?
AR.
AR?
Hmm.
Eh.
Mid-cal rounds located.
Kaya na eh.
Never mind. Victim spotted.
Ground.
Gatekeep tayo.
Unless
Kaya
you
naman
see
bala.
inside.
Kaya, hinting ko. Labsam.
Mid-cal rounds located.
Gatekeep ta.
Pakakanda mong talay ko.
Mover spotted.
Tadan. Nakalaban dah. Si kamu kan? So, jadi may isang apa? Team. Ingat to.
Yun.
Down.
Shoot me.
Mas kaso, may sana sa wala data. Gagawin. Kaya anak nila.
Ang bala ko naman.
AR. Okay.
Yun.
Yun eh.
Mid-cal rounds located.
Maintenance ah.
Gas is closing. Get to the new
Tag-load at
safe
gaya
zone.
man.
Natawag ta aral.
Marking waypoint one. Cancel.
Tabangan
Ingat
isa.
to.
Being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
Pakidaro po yun.
Calling for fire on my target.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Let's strike away.
Gas is moving.
Unless you want to see your insides, we should get to the safe zone.
Patayan mo.
ATV.
Kapay lang. Nagbuy-buya ka niya, buya.
Kakarga ka no? Dabot dito yun eh.
Waypoint marked.
Napaglutan dito.
Tirita dito.
Shit. Sama to si Rock.
Ito.
Flash thrown. Now you see.
Uy, flashes una.
Nakita ko.
Claymore set. Surprise. Sending thermite.
Nakita na.
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Anjing nga to. Rakok.
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. You're all that's left. Get it done.
Ni-invite pa si Daily Flight.
Private lobby yata yun sa
Enemy
kanila.
soldier incoming.
O kaya mag-private lobby.
Napatay mo yun sa baba, Insan?
Tumakas siya. Sila yata yung ano.
Get to that ride. Hacking aid station.
Napadasan nag-loadout ah. Ah.
Tatakot. Parang lang. Sawa-sawa mo na. Sa likod mo, da.
Final deployment is loading up. Finish the fight. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Tigatan.
Sa likod mo.
Ay! Nakita sa
Full hole out there. Turn to base for this.
tindahan niya. Kaya mo maki-private lobby? O kulangan? Kulangan. Mic check. Mic check.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy soldier incoming. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Easy point. That's no LC. Movement spotted.
Victim spotted.
PR muna kami, lads.
Clear to engage all targets. incoming.
Tear gas out. I can feel them sobbing already.
Nice.
Bugok.
Ada di sini.
There's my next victim.
Lods. Biar muna kami. Thank you.
Marking waypoint coordinates.
Losing ground.
Tao dito.
Sustaining fire. Don't be
Kasi namatang mo rin yun.
Bugok.
Patay mo dyan may isa?
Good.
Patay ka dyan may isa eh. Team wipe na pala eh.
Team white. Hmm. Pagkatang.
Rosina. Diretso ang talatanatan. West eh. Sapa yung mga loot.
Looted dito. Looted dito.
Uy. Sakti nag-loot ito eh.
Ah, sige ba?
Ito yung building nila ito eh.
setting waypoint. SMG marked.
Located mid-caliber. Located mid-caliber. Marking waypoint coordinates. Cancel that.
Laban.
Copy. Moving to destination.
Awan.
Ano nga to?
Device station dito.
Ano nga to?
Setting waypoint.
Waypoint.
Ano tawag dyan?
Fire station lang.
Bata. Antan.
At tutulan dito eh. Ano makuha ito?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Tan, natin tan. Tujuh kwartain san. $15,000? 15 mag-load out.
Oh yeah?
What?
In...
Pero dinig ko siya.
Tanay. Police station, police station.
Hindi na gasolina.
Crisis. Ay, negative access to. Ito.
No, natin.
Losing ground.
Spotted some cash. Bingo.
Alayo, pwede sir ko.
Unless
Ada
you
lamang
see your
gagaw.
insides, we should get to the safe zone.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Babawi kayo na.
Hunted ka.
Babawi lang.
Pangatot ah. Left
Tan.
side.
Hindi pumapaltog sa kanya ka.
Dada.
Hindi pumapaltog niya.
Isi snipe.
Okay.
Baka dyan tower.
Dito yun, si pa-contract ko.
Dito siguro sa ano. Mill base. Talikod.
Talikod.
Yan mo eh. Padot TNT ko.
Babaak. Babaak.
Ada yan eh.
Papin natin sa...
Victim spotted.
Duwad ah.
Sa likod ko.
Dapit ah.
Sa likod ko. Nga to. Okay na naman din.
Your teammates.
Uy. Ay, hindi ko nakita.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Kaya mag-private lobby.
Turn, mate.
Man. Iyarlatan.
Nya?
Private lobby. Kaya mo, ano. Iyarlatan.
Sige man. Ay pasan ko lang.
Pusin lang namin, Lods.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the... Return back to the front line. You've earned it.
Kanan. Ah.
Located a bounty contract.
Acknowledge you found this contract.
Hunt.
Ilang load, sa next game kami, mag-start lang kayo.
Gas is inbound.
Baka matagalan pa to eh. Baka manalo pa to eh.
Bounty target identified.
Sarapan mo lang.
Slot the bastard.
Police station. Nakita ko na.
Flash thrown. Now you see you like fire?
Sumausaw.
Ang bala.
Iwas tan mo no. Basta langan. Eh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Uy, nakalaban ito.
Duwada.
Your team is KIA. It's up to you now. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Madinatang ka pala ito, Ginsan.
Ha?
Mali.
Apa rin ito?
Burst fire dapat.
Got gas moving in. Contract time expired. We lost the target.
Ang karulya natin LMG.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Super step.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ah, ba?
Nakalaban tayo ko na.
Kalaban ni Jay.
Right mo. Hmm.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Sakto.
Yan, thank you.
Nagamit yun, Jay.
SMG mark. Tactical grenade. Sniper rifle here.
Nakalaban, ito gas station to tayo eh.
Taga ron.
Sabi mo ba?
Losing ground.
Uy,
Ne? Okay naman, kurang.
Unless you want to see your insides, we should get to the safe zone.
ay pagulyan mo ito mo.
Only 25 remain.
Very diligoso.
Magsakat ta, gare. Aray.
Awan na tayo,
Mark
awan na tayo.
waypoint coordinates.
Aras ko.
Nagtagiray doon, hanan, insan.
Dadagdan na ito.
Awan.
Ayaw magdan na ito. Ada.
Two rests on your shoulders.
Oh,
Finish the mission.
Sayang. Okay.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Jiking ya, bukan. Betul.
Eh, hindi mo lang matayang. Uy,
Specialist. Got gas moving in.
The killer always comes back for one more scare.
ay, JPLMG. Gago to.
We lost that number. We'll come back.
JPLMG din. Kaya na ngayon kasak ko. Kina. Gawin. Kitaan taman no ka. Pisa na siguro yung mga yan.
Bring your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy dropping into the AO. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
There's my next waypoint. Scavenge some gear. Never mind. New plan.
Troops in contact.
Hostile dropping into the area. What? Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Under fire. Not dead yet.
Ida na piyag.
There's my next victim.
Go fuck your mom.
Dami may isa. May banger.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Gas is inbound.
Everyone's safe. Pity.
mga team dito eh.
Destination marked. Disregard.
Sit pati bala ko.
Taas meron pa.
Tawang team.
Troops in
Taking
contact.
direct fire.
Time to play.
Munag, munag. Banyo, banyo. Talikod mo, talikod mo. Dami.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective. Stand by for redeployment. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Scavenger contract located.
They're RTB at this time. Victory rests on your shoulders. Finish the mission. Supply box ready for pickup. Contract updated. New objective identified. Losing ground. Contract updated. New objective identified.
Saan?
4K mo gaya mo. Yan mo. Eh,
Primary objective accomplished. Supply box is found.
Thank you.
Located a bounty contract. Let's hunt.
Move on my waypoint.
laban dito eh.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Anti SMG pa. Nagpakanawan.
Being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
Tidak guys.
Losing ground.
Mover spotted.
May isa na labi yan.
Unless you want to see your insides, we should get
Enemy
Data
spotted.
Jayco. To. Jayco.
RPG ko ata.
Palasoy siguro di dyan. Naantay sudan.
I don't die so easy.
Adda.
Next victim.
That sniper aja. Stick dia nak ya. Talo na naman Lakers.
Talo na naman. Mhm.
Pinalsitan ka. Pinalsitan na ka.
Saan kaya yun?
Parang dyan sa ano eh. Yan. Paramdam na. Kanawan ka lang. Uli ka dyan kanawan. Ayaw ang pagulyaman. Ang kamabutan. Ay, sana.
Pataray burso.
Papadaling dyan sampai dalabayag ni.
Taray burso.
Driver show. Buok lang ngayon.
Kasyon na kami apo. Mga habak pa ila dati. Awan pa armor ko.
Mga abak pa.
Al-
Mga abak pa. Alikodan. Ini. Yun insan, kanawan mo, kanawan. Ay!
Piman. Invite ni ko kami. Daily flight.
Daily flight. Tara na. Pasok tayo. Tara, punta tayo dun.
Hi, Platito.
Yo, nice name, bro.
Kucherita.
The
Hi,
name.
Platito. Team Kain. Kain ko. Kain ko tayo. Kain ko tayo. Kain naman, pag ganyan, tinabo ko yung pali sticks mo.
Tangin na wag, Renny! Dalawang beses ako sabi ko, tangin na.
Hindi, nagkalik sa'yo na isa, Len.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh, may narinig ako sa likod ko, putang ina, sige Renny.
Stick sa'yo na isa eh. Sino yung isa? May nakakalistik na isa eh.
Bakit,
Tapos
bakit
nakali-
ganun tol sa tol, bakit ganun sa stadium bumaba, ikaw lang, sakto pa sa akin.
Hindi nagsasabi ang puta.
Patay kami.
Ba't kayo baba? Abot ang ina mo. Ba't di kayo bumaba?
Narinig ko yun eh, ba't di kayo bumaba? Ay, di kayo bumaba.
Hindi mo sinabi eh.
Pagkababa ko, sabi ko, what the fuck? Down na silang tatlo.
Nung nakita kita tol pababa, akala ko special delivery.
Tayo na, nakali mo ako 2 beses, tapos may nakakali na naman sa akin. Okay ka na.
Si Bilen yun, si Bilen, si Bilen.
Hindi, si ano, sino ba yung nag... Start ng C? Si Classy?
Ah,
Saan tayo
si
papaguin?
Wala pa.
Putsang ina, automatic yung puta. Di ako makaliw sa'yo, kaya try ko eh, puta.
Dito sila sa ano, squad 1, no? Si,
Ah.
Latito tsaka si Panting, ah.
Sige, sige.
Seven ulit, 7.
Garbage before you go.
Hmm.
Go in the garbage bago ka.
Ah. Sino si Tinidor?
Low, low. Bayag.
Bro, bag
Bayag
din.
mo. Kung dapat ilati kan sa. Nakagasot. Okay.
Para dalawang lang tati, Christmas dyan.
Umabot sa Christmas paghihintay. Nakasampung panalo na sana tayo eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Thank you.
yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Headed there.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Troops in contact. Troops in contact.
Tagal lang kami, daily flight. Sumali kami pero ano, tagal.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Yero na lang tayo. Talaga, ikaw na lang sumali sa amin.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Wana mo muna yung private lobby. Ano lang sumali sa amin, Lods. Para makarami tayo.
Losing ground.
Load out.
Apa?
May station. Yung ato.
Pagkataan pa.
Vendor marked.
Oh. Yeah. Orange juice. Gas mask to insan to. No, awang Stausan mati.
Awan tao. Nagpatayabak ko drone.
Ulot mo to yan?
Setting waypoint.
Ampag. Ang load ah.
Pagi. Tuwa na rin lang. Pasti man na pasamak tayo na.
Siguro.
That's cash cow.
Tao sambutin ka. Bago daw. Agad tibiyaga eh.
Ang darot.
Ako ilot data ako. Police station.
Ang tagtambay ta pilot ka.
AT mine primed and waiting.
Ala.
UAV ko man niya.
Patak. Idada dyan.
Vendor marked.
Ayan na guys. Damag-ambay station. Kanya ko rito.
Closing in. Relocating the
Truck mo
safe
lang
zone.
na lang dyan. Avenger pala dito. Ano pala? 6,000 ng po dyan. Gagon.
Perdumiloso.
Lakla tayo ito yun.
Supply box identified.
Ayo.
Marking location now.
Eh, narinig tigag.
Gas is moving. Next objective located.
Marking waypoint 1. Disregard.
is updated. Move to the next location.
Sigurado alam mo kami ka pang gumatang.
Naka-attack eh.
Na?
Naka-attack. Kaltok.
Koltok?
Kaltok ti bao. Pakat ti bao.
Requesting area recon. Flush them out.
entering the AO.
Dito ini.
Setting waypoint.
Marking waypoint coordinates. Destination marked.
Over here.
Head to that vehicle.
Ang
Move on
damo
my
ulit.
waypoint.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Mo ba pagtukan isa na? Orang tapay gumakan.
Enemy vehicle. Take it out.
Hindi mo kaya tapang gumatang to. Gumatang kayo natin pang Belgium.
Enemy vehicle. Take it out. Cancel. Cancel.
Enemy UAV overhead.
UAV digay din nga to.
Nakalaban dito eh.
There's my next victim.
Taltugan da jay ka nakamotor eh.
Never mind. Waypoint marked. Move.
Kalaban dito. Nakapesto doon eh.
Dapat yung nyak. Nyak insan, dakan nyak.
Sa babam?
One head.
Oh, basag siya, basag. Sige, siguro mo.
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Uy!
Okay na kurang. Gago.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has been cleared for
Dapat dito,
redeployment.
dapat lang.
Ano tapay lang?
Yun.
Dapat tayo mon.
Pwede kaduanan.
Losing ground.
Ay, yan ang yan. May isanan.
This is the gulag. Survive and you can redeploy.
Nasa kulungan sila eh.
Fight kicking off. Get ready to fight. You're next.
Si Chill. Napatay ko yung... Ay, hindi ko pala napatay yung isang pucha. Na-down lang.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Ay.
Nothing there. We're bringing you home. Not over yet. Your team can still buy your
Kalaban. Third party. Diyan pa rin. Uy!
Sorry, Cam.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job. Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. All right, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real.
Salamat, Nathan.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Located a bounding. Forget that.
There! That's where we cross! Cancel! 5-6, got it.
All right, lads, let's get it done.
Hindi niya nagbasag.
One shot.
Nabartak eh.
Claymore set. Surprise. Move her here.
Eh? Silangan.
Most wanted target neutralized. Well done.
Claymore set. Surprise.
Kalaban.
Wala pang gumatan.
Puntang buy station.
Thank you sa pera.
Downtown.
No doubt. Kurang pa.
1,000 kaya.
You're being tracked by an enemy team.
Shopping ko man. Di man.
Sugarod. Mataman UAV pa. Ano amutan no? Ayun na pagkapan na din.
What? Tidak tayo. Ito yan.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Sa open.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Sa akin. Ayaw ang balak. Nice. Putang ina, naibusan ang balak. Gago ah.
Ito, lingid kayo ito.
Diyan ka makakuha, diyan makasangat. Pilimot na. Katalikod ka.
Friendly UAV overhead.
You'll have to do better than that.
Kapay mo rin di pinatay ko dyan. Without the Dati baba ko.
Sige, sige. Ay, suna.
Ito na.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas inbound. Next up relocated. You evaded the enemy track. Good work.
Patay may sa kaduana eh. Baba na lang. Patay mo?
Amen. Ito pa yung may isa. Dati baba.
Bagong bagsak eh.
Napatay ko diyan. Ito baba niyo may isa. $29. 20 meters.
Nice.
Gas is inbound.
Out.
Ang payong man eh. UAV latag. Mata ko baby.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I can drive.
Manta. Manta dito yun eh. Downtown. Igat pa lang. Ano natin? Yan mo lang dia.
Sige.
Pampers dito.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Pernong tapang loadoutan.
Ayun.
Fire station kami dito eh. Ada nag-load dito ya.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Got gas inbound.
Kalaban.
Safe zone relocated.
Diyan na nga lagi lugan to.
Mababi mo ba?
Wan.
Ano mo? Ano mo?
Nice. Ang special sa.
Yes.
Down. Well done.
Ay, tansa.
Scavenger contract located.
Mabalintag loadoutan.
Adukor tata. Wag. Papinak na ano. Hindi pa kita.
Akasigan eh. Dagas-mas mo. Dayan eh. Dagas-mas ko eh.
Ibada.
Mabalinta gumat. Ay, awa nang gaya. Ulang datan.
Pagkatangan tayo.
Patingan. Mabalin mo dito eh. Kalaban.
Ako.
Ilamay saan di kanawan.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Ay, girl.
They know who I am.
Pakom. Ay!
Bad trip to.
Kita na nun yung nag-fuck to. Gago.
Akin na naman doon.
Survive and you can redeploy.
You have to wait for your turn, mate.
Kalaban.
You win this fight and you return
Ay.
to the front line. If you lose, you're done here.
Tayo dyan.
Sort them out or capture the
Why the fuck is he not dying?
Vendor marked. Waypoint marked. Move.
gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by. Proceed to the marked location and secure the area. Gas is inbound.
Move on my way. Cancel. Cancel.
Okay, corner rock.
Contract failed. Objectives out of range.
Recon inbound. My eyes are everywhere.
the AO.
Tali ka, Lods. Daily flight.
Gas is
Ayos
inbound.
tayo.
Marking new safe zone.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Uy.
Under
Kaliwa,
fire.
kaliwa.
What happened to
Southeast,
good old-fashioned
southeast.
stabbing?
9 enemies are still active. Hunt them down.
Sa bunker. Sa taas.
Sa bunker.
Oo.
Gas is inbound.
Tayo nga eh.
Dito.
Marking waypoint.
Nandiyan yung mga baril kanina sa akin eh. Sa amin, Lods. Daily flight. Mali kami kanina eh. Tagal eh. Extra, ay hindi na. May extra plates ka pa dyan?
Kawalin son.
Gas is inbound. Marking you safe.
Pili tayo.
Go get the armor.
Uy!
Sustaining fire. Don't they know who?
Five remain. Finish the job. Gas is moving.
Wait lang. Ano yung ginamit nun? Lakas ng baril na yun ah.
May pumatay sa'yo?
Oo. Di ko alam kung anong baril yun. Parang sunod-sunod na grenade ang pucha. May gas mask yun. Turn on AC.
Enemy patrol.
It's not, Daddy.
Let's get back to it.
Ay! Sayang.
Secure the win. Learn from the loss. Failure's a proper teacher.
Ayan. Number 2. Siya na lang yung kalaban mo.
Kaya nga, wala akong armor ako.
Sayang.
Ang susungkit mo eh.
Message ka lang, Lods, pag gusto kong sumali.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
BR na lang kami, Lods. BR. Sali ka sa amin, Lods. Ikaw na lang sumali sa amin, Lods. Liberage. Sali kayo sa amin, Lods.
They're targeting me. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Puruan na yan. Tingkayod pa.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position.
Tingkod-kod.
Sayang yun.
Titan.
Wala ka silpin.
Titan.
Yun.
Nagparparaigit tan. Parparaigit talaga.
Over here.
Targets are up. Get to work. Objective update. Secure that position.
Tawang ka?
Aman. Testing ko lang di paltog.
Ada dito ni. Abay ti building ta.
One.
Kanaw mo na tatalitan yung tikwan. Carnival. Pangantan tutan.
Alright, kala dati yung ginlalain.
Loot ko lang dito eh.
Sige, sige.
Naglolo daw.
Troops in
Yan na.
contact. Troops in contact.
Rito rito.
Closing in.
Ay, meron. Isa lang eh.
Setting weight. Forget that.
Ay, dalawa.
Time to play. I see you.
Rarating lang ng isa eh. Ay, may kalaban sila, may kalaban. Marami. Dalawang team dyan.
Everyone's safe.
Diyan, dito yan ko.
Dun sa... Oh, toy.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Mga team. Sa Rita building nga bay. Kanto may sa Ijay. Tapay dito.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Enemy patrol. Priming a teammate.
Requesting area recon. Flush them out.
UAV entering the AO.
Grab the contract, it's over.
Sa tao dito eh.
Waypoint marked.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Ang carnival.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ati magatang. Ayo. Pero meron. Ay, kala ko tao. Pucha.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, dito ya.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Tao sa...
Center marked.
Gas is inbound.
Move on my waypoint.
Dako dito yung sana. Fire station.
May tao pala
Nice
dito.
one.
So, open lang siya.
Enemy UAV overhead.
UAV man insan.
Ilan yan, ilan yan?
Move on my waypoint.
Ang kurang.
Contact.
Dapat dito yung dua. Ang bala ko.
Marking waypoint coordinates.
Dua tatay insan. Dua.
Tara. Ay, nabuta.
You're in the gulag now.
Ang bala ko.
Redeploying. The fight's on. You're up next, mate. Get ready. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Ay, naubusan ng bala. Nagkasampu dyan.
Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Nag-reload. Tang.
Ako rin eh. Ay, sa gulag. Katalikod na eh. Uy.
Grabe din insan.
Saan dyan? Nope. Facebook lang.
Sige insan.
for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Pinbo lang load. Yan.
Engage your target.
May tao insan.
Kaya mo mismo.
Well,
Automatic ka na nga. Matay detan.
hamal na.
Stick to. Nag-this one na. Datoy. Datoy.
Nagalita. Nagalita yung blue
Nagarad.
house.
Datoy. Second floor.
Gas is moving.
Badan siya.
Tulog tapa insan.
Dapay. Di second floor.
Baik depan.
Remor.
Yung Marsula?
Oray, nakita kita yung ruwer tatay. The entrance. Saan na pan? Ay, doon sama rin. Magsublin sama.
Make for target location.
Natan?
Ito na. One, ito.
Ay, paumbalak! Ang inang yan.
So,
Di na kay laki na tatay.
bagtik din.
Ay, busa awan bahala gayam tatay. Di na pala pinatay.
Hostile.
Requesting area recon. Flush them out.
UAV entering the AO. Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB
Hindi
for
pa pa lang.
resupply.
Ha?
Pag-lift ka pa lang.
Queen. Natin magatang. Alpas ka tingaton. Toy.
Waypoint marked.
Nya?
Alpas ka rin tinga bandan. Tingato.
Ampay.
Ay, dama naglut ito eh.
SMG
Asa.
marked.
Wala hindi nga ako diba?
I'll take the wheel.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Fuck it. I'm driving.
Ay, naglut na rin dito. Ay, may kalaban dito sa baba natin.
There's my next victim.
Marking waypoint.
Ilan yan? Ano? Saan?
Isa lang. Sugodin mo yun sa nasa taas ah.
Nice. Magikas-kas sa tiloko.
Gas is inbound.
Bait. Ang tayo manay kwarta. Ala.
Hindi natin malakaw. Ngayon natin magatang. Pwede rito eh. Dito.
Mover here.
Sa open.
I see you. Using decoy.
Manuda.
Did you hear that?
Dolawa. Dalawa yan. Diyan ka.
Hostile vehicle spotted.
Nothing like good old-fashioned stabbing.
Sumusugod ako ah. Tara, sugurin mo. Ay, kinakit.
Yung sana.
Ay, nangyari.
Meron din sa likod.
Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy.
Kaya.
Fight's on. You can practice your aim this way. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads.
Eh, dapat gawin kalaban mo dyan likod.
Once.
Si Mausaw di ay.
Panakindigo.
Sumausaw ang po.
Tukak ka na.
Fight's ready. Get ready to fight. You're next.
Rito. Kanan. Nice.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Time to earn your freedom. You got your ass kicked
Hello?
in that one. We're sending you back to base. It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Rally on that vehicle. Supply run contract identified.
May TV sa likod mo.
Hostile vehicle spotted. Out of my way. Out of my way. I'll drive.
Maday.
Out of my way. I'll drive.
Thank you.
Pasok sa bilog.
I'll take the wheel.
Setting waypoint.
Laking aja.
Di pa yung makaload at ako na.
Driving.
Rigat.
Troops in contact.
Bigat yung mode eh.
Fix the mark
ala ko.
location and secure the area.
Oh, mas sabaling amalan.
May tao dyan. May tao dyan, Rico na.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tala J King eh. Sangwanan. J King di eh.
Wan. Dua tadi yan.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Punta dito ni.
UAV overhead. You've got
Ang pangaluted.
Safe zone relocated. Moving on fire.
Yan.
Decoy out. Throwing smoke grenade.
Sniper.
I'm in their sight. Gas is inbound.
Get to the safe zone.
Panigid ka naman.
Kita pa lang.
Anyone
In
use
their
that?
Decoy out.
That's mine.
Kakalaban dito eh.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Troops in contact.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Panigid talangan.
Hindi.
Troops in contact.
Contract failed. Let's sharpen up.
Device station. Load out.
Gas is moving.
Portada.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Unless you want to see your insides, we should get to the safe zone.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Baby. Ada.
Kita pa lang.
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Only 10 are left.
Nakalaban tayo ka. Itam.
You'll Standing fire. Don't they know who I am?
Ano patay mo?
Inalam ko man di kwarta.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Got gas moving in.
Unless you want to see your insides, we should get to the safe zone.
Kuya Kanawan na.
Di nga ito yun sana.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Ay, bagay
Bagita,
ta
bagita,
circle.
circle.
Bagay ta. Uy! Matakbo na siya. Ay, tangin lang yan.
Let's come back and win.
Lumber.
Sayang. Gensa, gituludak pa eh.
Din saan, sige, sige.
Makapabitin. Sige. Eh, tumigan to na ba?
Sige, sige.